Hello, I'm Ajay Rawat from Rwanda International School, Malad West, ICSC. I'm currently studying Standard 10th. My project for today is Arduino Mart. The topic is an e-commerce store. An Arduino, as you can see here, is an electronic microcontroller board used for making electronic and robotic products. My project is an HTML document with functions of JavaScript. Over here is the code of my program. This is the JavaScript part of the program. I've created an array shopping cart to make a list of all the products that the user wants to buy. There are two functions: display shopping cart, which displays the shopping cart, the, the products that are in it, and also calculate the total amount in rupees. There is also an add to cart function, which adds the product to the shopping cart when the user clicks on it. Here is the HTML part of the program. Here are all the products that the user can buy, and here is a form that is used for taking input from the user. The user will enter the name and the address and click on order. There is also another HTML document, order number, which generates an order number and displays it. Let's see how the program works. Now over here is an Arduino Mart, the web page that I've created. The first thing that the user wants to know is what project is he going to make. For here, I've created a link that takes him to the original website of Arduino. Over there, he can search for all the projects that are available. Let's say he wants to make a project on sensors. He would search for it and would get the desired results. When he has chosen his project, he would click on it and scroll down. Here he would find all the components that he requires. He requires an Arduino board. This is nothing but an ultrasonic sensor. And he also requires an OLED screen. He would go back here and click on what he requires. He requires an Arduino Uno, an ultrasonic sensor, and an OLED screen. He also requires an accessory pack. This contains wires, LEDs, transistors, capacitors, resistors, batteries, and etc., which are required to make the project. As you can see, here is his total amount in rupees. Over here, he would write his name, and here he would type his address. And here he will click on order. As you can see here, it says thank you for your order. Your order number is 07122001. Now let's see what I have used for making the project. I have used pen and paper to write down my ideas when it struck me. I have also used the Pages app that I am currently using right now to display my ideas to the public. My sources is Whiz Juniors, Stack Overflow, and SolarRun, from where I have learned JavaScript and HTML for making this project. I have also used the Arduino Uno original website for the components and all the projects available. I have done the coding in TextAddict, which is an notepad for Mac, and I have used the platform for my program, Safari, the Apple's browser, for using the web pages and websites. The video is done by Pages, the app I'm currently using, and Screen Recorder for recording the screen. Thank you.